Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a shared Google Calendar in 2025. It is perfect for teams, families or friends. You need to stay organized together. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for calendar.google.com. Over here, you need to make sure that you sign in into it with the help of your email account. Only then you will be able to access it. Now here in the left hand section, you are going to see the calendar, then all of your tasks and your bookings. And then here you are going to see other calendars. So right next to other calendars, simply click on the option of this plus icon. After that, click on the option of create a new calendar. Now over here, you need to give your calendar a name. So here, let's say I give it a name, something like this. Over here in the description section, you can add any description if you want, and then click on the option of create calendar. So it is going to be taking some time to create this calendar, and once it is done, it will show up here in the left hand section. As you can see, this is the calendar that I have created just now in front of you. So you need to click on that calendar which you have created. After that, you are going to see the option of share with. So as soon as you click on the option of share with, you are going to access this option of add people and groups. So once you click over here on this page, you are going to see the add email or the name option. So here you can enter the name of your family members or any other person, and after that you can simply select the permissions. So whether you want them to see all of your details and the events, you can definitely select it from this drop down menu, then click on the option of send. So this person will get an email invite, and once they accept it, they will see the shared calendar in their Google Calendar list. So this is how you can create and share a Google Calendar in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.